Asia. Asia is the largest and most populous continent or region. It covers 8.6% of the Earth's total surface area or 29.4% of its land area, and it contains more than 60% of the world's human population. Asia is traditionally defined as part of the landmass of Africa-Eurasia. Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent after Asia. At about 30,221,532 kilometers squared, including adjacent islands, it covers 6% of the Earth's total surface area and 20.4% of the total land area. With more than 8.9 billion people as of 2005 in 61 territories, it accounts for about 14% of the world's human population. Australia, officially the Commonwealth of Australia, is a country in the Southern Hemisphere comprising the mainland of the world's smallest continent and a number of islands in the Southern, Indian and Pacific Oceans. Neighboring countries include Indonesia, East Timor, Papua New Guinea to the north, the Solomon Islands, Vanuatu and the French dependency of New Caledonia to the northeast and New Zealand to the southeast. Europe is one of the 7 traditional continents of the Earth. The term continent here refers to a cultural and political distinction rather than a physiographic one, leading to various perspectives about Europe's precise borders. Physically and geologically, Europe is the westernmost peninsula of Eurasia, west of Asia. Europe is bound to the north by the Arctic Ocean, to the west by the Atlantic Ocean, to the south by the Mediterranean Sea. South America is a continent situated in the Western Hemisphere and mostly the Southern Hemisphere, bordered on the west by the Pacific Ocean and on the north and east by the Atlantic Ocean. North America and the Caribbean Sea lie to the northwest. North America is a continent in the Earth's northern hemisphere and almost fully in the Western Hemisphere. It is bordered on the north by the Arctic Ocean, on the east by the North Atlantic Ocean, on the southeast by the Caribbean Sea, and on the south and west by the North Pacific Ocean. South America lies to the southeast, connected to North America by the Isthmus of Panama. It covers an area of about 24,490,000 kilometers squared, or about 4.8% of the planet's surface. Antarctica is the southernmost continent and includes the South Pole. It is divided by the Trans-Antarctic Mountains. On average, it is the coldest, driest and windiest continent and has the highest average elevation of all the continents. At 14.425 million kilometers squared, Antarctica is the third smallest continent after Europe and Australia. 98% of it is covered in ice. Because there is little precipitation except at the coast, the interior of the continent is technically the largest desert in the world.